kinoconsider nyo doon?
Meron kami kinoconsider. You'll find out. Malapit na yan. Evaluation, konting evaluation na lang.
So,
May isa na kaming nako-consider. Isa pa lang. Isa pa lang.
Medyo madami na.
Marami nag-a-apply. Hindi, ito tandaan nyo, no? Itong state witness law natin was not created for a multitude of crimes committed by one person. Kasi usually yan, yung taong nag-a-apply ng state witness, nakasama siya, hindi siya most guilty, tsaka yung nangyari, isa lang yung nangyari. Pinakamarami, dalawang pangyayari. Di ba? Oh. Ito, ano to daan-daang kaso. Sa iba-ibang klaseng kaso. Bid rigging. Di ba? Bid rigging, Philippine Competition Act, 3019. Andyan yan, di ba? Meron pa dyan malversation. May falsification, malversation through falsification. So, you're talking about a multitude of crimes. So, is it easy to grant state witness status and give them blanket immunity? Yun a legal question. I even asked that, we were discussing it yesterday with the Senior Associate Justice of the Supreme Court. Kasi ngayon nga, academic questions in our minds now as lawyers. How does it work when this happens?